Hey gang, I'm so excited to show y'all today's twist out. Super easy, super simple, of course. Starting on stretched hair. What I am using today is the Melanin Haircare Long Lasting Definition Styling Cream. I am low-key obsessed with this cream. I've used it once before. This is my second time using it for a twist out, this time a stretch twist out. I'm using my favorite wide tooth comb to detangle my hair. The bigger this section, bigger the tool I try to use. Satin scrunchies for sectioning. I will be detangling the smaller sections with this detangler brush that I just bought from Target. I love how small the bristles are. I'm able to get close to my root and detangle at my roots with this brush. I do have these clips because I am doing a little trimming today. So I use these clips just for an easy clip up, clip down. And the star of the show to me, this Paul Mitchell serum. This is the only thing that I changed different from my last twist out. I used the Melanin Haircare oil with the cream, and I didn't like how oily it turned out. So let me just try using this serum. I love how a serum feels on my hair. And I used to use this Paul Mitchell serum all the time on my hair when it was straight. And I was like, you know what? My hair is stretched. Let me just try it. My hair always feels like it's actually being moisturized by this stuff. So why not? And I absolutely loved that I used it. I will definitely be using it from now on. I only had the twist in for 2 days, so I definitely wasn't trying to make the parts look perfect. I just kind of eyeballed it with each section. I detangled, like I said earlier, really close to my roots. I wanted to make sure that all my hairs were going the same direction. Everything is smooth. And because we're working with stretched hair, you don't want your hair to revert back to its curly state. To avoid that problem, I just put a little bit of product on each time, and this product is really great. You don't need a lot to begin with anyways, so just a little bit of product. Then I would twist down a little bit and then add a little bit more cream, twist down until I got to the ends and added a little bit more cream. Once I got to my ends, I noticed how uneven they were and how it wouldn't really curl. So I just went through, twisted the rest of my hair. If you can see, my ends look kind of dry. I wanted to go back through and give myself a trim. I do feel that it is easier to trim your hair while in twist, or like going twist by twist trying to trim natural hair. However, next time I'm not going to try to trim my hair on stretched hair. I'd rather cut my hair in its curly state so I can see what the curls are looking like, because that's how I wear my hair most of the time. So next time I would just do regular twists, but I made it through. I used these scissors that I got from Target, $10. They were great. They come with a sharpener as well. Before trimming each section, I do want to say I detangled as much as possible with a small tooth comb. Trim where it looks uneven, and sometimes I did have to go back and trim the same twist. So my advice is just little by little trim. It's better to go little by little than wishing you didn't cut off that much. And just for example, this is how I would like the end of my twist to look. There are some hairs out of place, but compared to before cutting a twist, the hairs look healthier. 2 days later, I took out the twist. I used this same Paul Mitchell serum to take it out. And baby, let me tell you, that was the best decision ever. I think I already said that in this video, but look how good, look how glossy, look how shiny my hair looks, but it's not oily, like it's not weighed down. This is a lightweight, which I believe all serums, They're a more lightweight, oily consistency, but they're not heavy. It's not heavy at all. And I just absolutely love how it's gliding across my hair. And another thing I feel I didn't do the first time I did the twist, I didn't separate the curls the way I should have. Just pull apart the twist gently so you can have bigger hair. I understood that this time around. And also the front of my hair was doing this weird little curl thing, but I just tucked that behind my ear. I used my pick and my hands to get a shape going for me to make the hair work for my face. And it was just so cute, y'all. I made tons of videos, TikToks, Reels. So if you're not following me on the gram, please go show me love, okay? I had so much fun making this hairstyle. I hope y'all like it as much as I do. I'm definitely going to be doing this hairstyle again. But until then, peace, love, bye.